Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will share Aloo Gobhi or cauliflower and potatoes recipe. So keep watching and stay with us for step-by-step guidance. So in order to make this recipe, we need the following ingredients: gobhi 500 grams, onion 1 medium, finely sliced, 2 tomatoes and 3 potatoes, garlic paste 1 to 2 tablespoon oil, ghee, half cup, vegetable masala mix 2 spoons. Steps of cooking. Begin by heating a generous amount of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add in finely chopped onions and fry them until they start to turn golden brown, stirring occasionally. This should take a few minutes. Once the onions have started to brown, add in some chopped tomatoes to the pan. Fry them for a few minutes until they have started to soften and release their juices, stirring occasionally. At this point, you can add in your vegetables of choice, such as cauliflower and potatoes, along with some shan vegetable masala mix. Make sure to coat all the vegetables evenly with the spice mix, using a spatula to stir everything together. Reduce the heat to low and continue to fry the vegetables for a few more minutes. If the mixture starts to stick to the bottom of the pan, you can add a small amount of water to prevent burning. Make sure to stir occasionally to ensure that everything is cooking evenly. Once the vegetables have started to soften and are beginning to cook through, add in enough water to just cover the vegetables. Stir everything together again and then cover the pan with a lid. Allow the vegetables to cook on low heat until they are tender and cooked through. This can take anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes depending on the size and type of vegetables you are using. Once the vegetables are tender, you can turn off the heat and let the dish sit for a few minutes to cool down slightly. Serve the aloo gobhi hot with some freshly chopped cilantro on top for added flavor and color. This dish is perfect as a side dish or as a main course, served with rice or naan bread. Enjoy! We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.